Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kiran, and in this whole Python series, I'll teach you how you can draw some cool graphics using this Python language. But before that, let me show you some of the graphics that I've designed. I'll show you only one, which is Android logo as of now. So later on, if we progress in this complete series, you'll be learning how you can design your own logos of your own imagination, right? So before that, let me just tell you why we are choosing Python as the most preferred language. Nowadays there are quite a lot programming languages which are faster than Python, but still we are going with Python. There are a couple of reasons why the companies are running behind this Python language, and the most obvious reason is it's the highest paid programming language. Of course, there are some other languages as well which are standard, that are Java, Kotlin, C and C++. But coming back to this Python, which is the top most paid programming language. So the reason why it is so much popular, why it has got so much popularity, is because Python has huge community. So when I talk about community, there are so many billions of developers who are actually developing modules which are actually helpful in training a machine learning systems or artificial intelligence, like that. So you can also do web development, you can also do game development, you can also do graphic designing with this particular language. So that's why it's got more popularity, because of built-in libraries are more. And another most specific reason why why programmers are actually moving towards Python is it's very easy to understand. So for example, if you're already learned C and C++, either Java, if you read the Python language, if you are getting started with Python, you feel little bit comfort and very easy to learn this language. So that's why Python got more popularity. So coming back to this series, in this series, me and my friend will teach you the graphic designing. But before that, I'll tell you the basics that are required to learn this graphic designing. After that, we'll directly tell you how you can deal with it. I'll make sure that you will learn completely the graphic designing, and you will be able to design your own graphics of your own imagination. So please follow the series and make sure you subscribe this channel, because whenever we upload new video in this series, you'll be getting notification. So hit that subscribe button and smash the YouTube algorithm. So now coming back to our video, so basically we need to install Python before doing anything. So let me just walk you through this installation process. So after that, we will actually deal with how you can actually install the thing, and after that I'll tell you the basics, fundamentals for the Python language. Okay guys, before installation of Python, let me just show you how the graphic designing looks like. So this is a popular operating system, Android, and this is the Android logo. We can create this graphic by writing some lines of code, which is absolutely easy once if you follow this complete series. But this is just an example. This is how we can create some graphics. Let me just run the code, and you can see this is so fast. Of course, we can increase and decrease the speed of graphic designing. We can talk about it little later. Let me show you one more example so that you will be having a better understanding what is graphic designing looks like. Okay, so this is another graphic, which is a desktop setup which I have recently made, but you can see how it is building up once if I click the run button. But I actually slow down the process so that you can see perfectly. This is how designing takes place. So you can see it is so nice, right? It is building up of just understanding the lines of code and just building up these graphic things. So if you're really fascinated about this graphic designing course, so please subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment down below if you're really fascinated about it. And let me just walk you through the installation process. In the upcoming videos, we'll be starting some basics of Python, and after that we'll be dealing with directly dive into graphic design part. So this is the website you have to visit. I'll put a link in the description box below, don't worry about it. So but before that, there are different IDs available for compiling this Python language, but my friend will explain about PyCharm and Jupyter installation later on in upcoming videos. But if you are a complete beginner as of now, you just need to go to this URL python.org/download, so where you can I'll put a link in the description box, don't worry about it. So you can directly click on that link, it will be redirect to this amazing website where you can download this Python language. So this is the download, you can there's a button over here, so download Python 3.8.3. so I'm using the version 3.7. Doesn't matter, you can download it. If you are Windows, you can click on here, or else you can actually download from here. So this is the option for download Python 3.8.3. just click on it. So after that, it will actually download the file. This file comes around 25 MB. It's not a big deal nowadays. So after installation process, you just need to follow the same steps which I'm showing you right now. So after downloading the file, you just click on that file. It will show you this type of window where you have install now button, but before that you need to check box this Python 3.8 to the path. So you just need to add this Python 3.8 to the path. Don't worry about it as of now, I'll tell you later on. So just need to click on this install now, and later on, if you're familiar with any setup installation, so you can just press, you know about it, right? You have to press next and then install. So it's already installed in my machine, so I don't want to install it once again. So the process is very simple. If you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So in the next video, I'll be telling you the basics and little chunks about Python language, and after that slowly we will increase the pace and we'll directly jump onto graphic designing. So that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and